I just thought I'd show you a very quick way on keystoning. And all I do is, and look, you can measure this out if you want to, but just to give you an idea, all I'm going to do is grab a small tile. Now these are 10 millimeters by 10 millimeters, and they are glass. And all I'm going to do is just nip on an angle the corner off. So I'm just going to get that, nip it like that, turn it around, and then do the same on the other side. And then what you're left with is this. And then what you can then do, if you want to, is you can just clean it up a bit and take that, you know, give yourself a straighter line, and then add this to your design. And that will give you a much better look, I think, on an overall mosaic. And here's another one, and I'll just do it again. I'll bring it closer in case you didn't get a proper look. Just nipping that corner off like that. And the same on the other side. And then we'll straighten it up. See how it's got a bit of a curve there? I'm just going to nip that corner off there just to straighten it up a bit. And then put that into there like that. And I think that's going to look a lot better. And of course, if you've got a sharper curve, you need to create a much sharper angle so it goes round the corner. And if your curve is not as large or as sharp, then you just don't take as much off. You know, you'll have a bit more down here in this inner area. And if you lose a few pieces while you're keystoning, that's fine, it happens.